Hello, this is Ryan Schofield and welcome to another installment in the Trading Success Zone as part of the ETX Capital Traders Workshop. Today we're talking probabilities. Trading is a game of probabilities. This has been one of the hardest lessons I've had to learn in my learning curve as a trader, is learning to give over the fact that it's not about picking winners. I don't need to always be right, and I need to endure pullbacks in my equity curve. That's just nature of the way trading works. Now, what it means to trade probabilities is, it means that you should have a good strategy that has a positive expectancy and a positive profit factor. So that over, say, a large sample set of, say, 100 trades, you're making money. So you've got 100 trades with, say, expectancy of 55%. So in other words, you're expecting to have 55 winning trades out of those 100 trades. Also, your profit factor, if you have a strategy with, say, an argument's sake, 1.25 profit factor, that means for every pound you risk, you're looking to make, on average, over those 100 trades, you've made 1.25 pounds in return. Okay, so in other words, if you had 55 winning trades, making more than you risked, you're making money over the big picture. That's what trading is all about. The probabilities of churning numbers, having an edge and churning the numbers. So let's have a look at it now. So if that's what it's all about, then my equity curve over the big picture should look like something like this. Okay, should be upwards rising. There will be pullbacks. There will be periods where there will be nothing happening, where we'll be going sideways. That's natural. That's what's going to happen. But I want to be making money over the 100 trades. That's what trading is about. I understand that. It's probabilities. So over the big picture, I need to be making money. This equity curve comprises of individual trades, individual trading outcomes. Okay, each one is part of this big picture. So what I need to do, and what I've trained my brain over the last few years to look at, is to understand that if that's what trading is all about, then the single trade itself is not important. It's important that it's part of a big picture. However, it's not important the outcome, because I know if I'm using a good strategy with a positive expectancy, I should make money over the big picture. So I'm not worried about the individual outcomes, and this helps me with my psychology. This helps me with a number of trading-related psychological problems, such as trading with trying to always have big winning trades, always trying to hit the ball out the park, always trying to avoid having a loss. These are things that, as a trader, you need to really address. And the best way I've come about addressing that is thinking about trading as a game of probabilities. Thinking as the big picture. The big picture is my trading business. Okay, that's the big picture there. I want to be making money over time, not on every single little trade in every single little week or every single little month. I want to be making money over the big picture. Okay, so having said that, why are we talking about probabilities today? Well, I want to draw your attention to a trade we had I put out last week on silver, and I left it to you whether you were gonna, whether you took the trade or not. I gave you reasons why I didn't take the trade. Now, at the time of the video, it was a perfect place for entry, perfect setup right there and then to go long on silver, and I gave you reasons why I didn't want to go long. Now, having a look at this monthly chart in silver, you can see how overextended we are. We are so massively overextended from its moving averages. Price cannot move in one direction for extended period of time. It's got to snap back to its moving averages. It's just the way and the characteristic in price. Okay, so we are heavily extended, even more so now than last week. Now, another thing is quite interesting on this chart. You can see here that pec line that we've got through there is $40 per ounce. Okay, so we're $40 per ounce right there. We're coming up into it, and we're heavily extended. Now, just notice all the other big numbers. There's $30 per ounce. There's $20 per ounce. There's $10 per ounce. And you can see how price has interacted with these levels. Okay, these major round number or big whole numbers have been quite important over time. Price stalls there or does something vis-a-vis that rejectional candlestick there, where we've got a nice little pullback in price through there. We are extended, and we're running up into another very big psychological number, which is $40, which may very well be the catalyst that causes price to then pull back, waiting for these moving averages to catch up before the next assault on, say, $50 or $60 an ounce occurs. We have to have those pullbacks, though. It's just healthy for price to do that. Okay, so right now this is actually looking even better for us for a pullback. Now, having a look at the daily chart now, let me show you exactly what I was looking at last week. Now, if you want to know exactly why I didn't take the trade, please load up the video on buying silver now. It was last week's video, and I'll give you all the reasons that I could see for taking the trade and all the reasons for not taking the trade. And it was basically gaining entry, long right through there, stop beneath the low, looking to trade up. And now you can see how we've really rallied on quite nicely. So it was a nice looking trade, and if you had taken it, you would have had about 2.5% in your trading account. Now, this brings me back to the probability side. In my strategy, if I've got divergence and I've got overextension on the higher time frames, I don't take trades. And I know that over the higher time frame, my strategy's equity curve looks like this. It makes money. Okay, so I've got to avoid taking trades that don't subscribe or don't adhere to these rules 100%. I can't do it because I want to make sure that my equity curve looks like this and not like this. And that's generally, this little spike inside here is most generally what's happened here on this silver trade. Get a nice big runner, but on the whole, it really doesn't work very well. Trading against divergence, trading against extension, trading against technical factors that make up my strategy. So I didn't take that trade, and I'm not ruining it at all because I know that I want to make money here. That's where I exist on this equity curve right here, making money over time. And on all my trades, if I avoid the reasons why I avoided taking last week's silver trade, I will make money on the big picture. Okay, so that's what it's really all about, and that's taking me the longest thing to learn in my trading is to think in probabilities, take that psychology and that feeling of always trying to be correct and be right in the markets, trying to remove that. And just give over to the fact that it's a game of probabilities. I can't change that, and just accept that that's the case. Alright folks, if you want to know more about the strategies that I'm talking about, why not log into our advanced education course on the ETX Capital website. We do them every month. We run a new course. Log in. It's a fantastic course. We're getting some very good feedback from the clients, and it's working really well for them. Also, the ongoing mentoring helps the clients trade through. Those clients, new and existing clients, are more than welcome to attend and to log in to this course. If you're not a client, check out online. You can become one. It takes 3 minutes to fill out application online, and you must understand that there are risks involved because of spread betting. It's a leveraged product. If you don't understand those risks, please seek advice. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys on the April course. Hopefully you enjoyed this video this week, and you found this little. I think there's a more psychological video this week on probabilities. Hopefully you find it useful. There's not too much going on in the markets right now that I'm too interested in. I'm just chilling out, waiting for some good setups. Alright folks, have a good week and look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye for now.